struggle with Japanese. Learning at your own can be so confusing, and finding the right materials takes time. What if you had an expert guidance and structure lesson tailored to your needs? So we have the ultimate learning experience with high value coaching and learning Japanese in a way that's practical, easy to apply. We have this step-by-step guidance, no need to struggle alone. I'll help you with every step of the way. So with real-life materials, website support, study with materials that help you communicate effectively in daily situations. What you learn: practical Japanese for daily ordering, asking about work, making travel plans, and more. Okay, so master the 4 core skills. We have speaking, listening, reading, and writing. So learn natural expression like phrases commonly used in everyday conversation. We have the grammar and kanji support, clear explanation to help you understand Japanese easily. Cultural insight, essential tip about Japanese life, work and culture, and communications. Want to learn? Exclusive coaching for only 999 pesos. Want to learn Japanese with structure approach? Join to my personal coaching and get access to customized learning materials to match your level and goals. With live guidance for better understanding and application. With interactive lessons that improve your speaking skills. Access to additional resources for self-study. Learn at your own pace with Mark's coaching. So what is the best part of this, guys? Now you can start now. So study anytime, anywhere with easy to use materials and available with multiple languages for accessibility. So don't forget to click down below to sign up and start your journey today. So see you there, guys. Mata ne!